ambassador needs to be a people person. They need to know the brand well and all the ins and outs of everything that goes into our brand to make sure that we communicate that properly to our employees.
Роль в качестве бренд-амбассадора я вижу в том, чтобы донести до всех своих коллег ценности нашего бренда и помочь нашим коллегам почувствовать себя частью одной большой семьи Tate Lyle.
It's to be energized at the site and inspire people to be involved in the brand, to understand it and be part of their journey to bring it to life.
The most about being a brand ambassador is the opportunity to excite and inspire others about Tate Lyle products and how we can bring food to people in such an extraordinary way.
What I love about being a brand ambassador is to help the people in my location to get involved in the global key initiatives.
Lo que más me gusta de este rol es que me permite traer la marca a la vida y compartir toda esta parte de la experiencia que tengo con Tate Lyle con el resto de mis compañeros.
I love being brand ambassador because I can help to unite people.
My favorite food is seafood, and I just love it probably because I can't have it very much in the Midwest. So anytime you get fresh seafood with the varieties and just the taste of it is wonderful.
I love food. I'm passionate about food.
My favorite food is any typical Brazilian food.
Mi comida favorita es la japonesa, principalmente el sushi.
My favorite food is lasagna.
I like Asian food, Japanese food.
And I'll choose laksa from Penang.